Hi.
We are playing Deadbolt today. My name is Riot.
And I am Control.
And there's a possibility we might die today.
Fantastic.
As usual.
Hello again, audience.
We've been expecting you.
Welcome back. This is Riot Cntrl's Love Hour.
Get up. Get up, buddy. There we go.
Get up.
Help, I can't get up.
Wait up inside.
Dude, I have 40 souls, but I don't have one myself.
I have 40 souls, but none of them are mine.
I want to fence switch the light. What fucking light? There's no light in here. Listen to the cassettes. You open the tape deck.
I wake up cold water and docks again, splinters in my hand. Where am I? Roland's here. He helps. He says we leave. He says we don't have to come back to the docks again. He gives me a hit. Good hit. I feel it on my tongue and my throat, my hands, my feet, and my ears, and I wake up. How much time? Thumping in my ear. Music. I look down and there's splinters in my hand. Roland's gone. I die again. I overdose again. I wake up. Hands wet, feet wet. Docks again? I'm in living room. I need more ash. Roland? I hear the music again. I hear yelling. The room fills up with cold water.
Oh god.
I splinter and we all overdose again. I wake up, knocking at the door. Roland?
Oh. Wall.
Ow.
Nishi. Why can't I go on other missions? Do I need to?
You need a better score?
That's rude.
That's fucked up.
No, return to game. I'm not doing that again, bro.
I think you have to.
Ah.
Oh shit.
Shit. Again, I guess.
This time better. Okay, so first
I'm back. I'm better.
So first of all, open the door and see if he notices. I forgot. I don't think he noticed, right? Okay, he didn't notice. Walk in and just fucking peg him. Alright, grab that 9mm. Okay. Wait, I have an idea.
What?
So go back inside.
You mean inside? Yes. Why?
Shoot at the roof under the hockey guy's foot.
Wait.
Never mind. Wait.
You mean, like...
Shoot under that guy. Yes. Grab his attention. And I'll come downstairs. Oh, shit.
Oh, damn it.
Damn it, it didn't work.
Damn it! Ooh.
Ooh. You're out of bullets.
God damn it. How many times? How many times? Ah! I'm gonna die. No, I'm not.
Ooh, clever. You're out of bullets, dude.
God damn it, I couldn't get that thing. I'm just gonna die.
No, you can do this.
I'm just gonna...
Punch him.
Oh my god, I can't go anywhere.
Yeah, you can. Back out there.
Loser.
Dumbass, okay. He's guarding the stairs.
Oh my god, there's so many, look.
Oh, shit. They're all crowded.
They're all there around the gun that I actually need.
They're crowded around their dead friends. Oh god.
Fuck. I wanna just die, TBH.
Go in there. Go.
Go and cover.
Wait for him to see you. Stab him. Okay. Oh, he beat you to death.
God damn it.
He beat you to a pulp.
Oh well, I wanted to start over anyway. Man, if only you guys were watching when I played this the first time. It's a lot better than this. Back and better.
I'm back and I'm better.
Wait, there's pipes next to you. Christ.
I have like my revolver still, but oh. Okay, well. How many times? All the time. I didn't get the other gun, whatever. He just looked at me like, you think that was gonna hurt me? Oh, bye.
Wait. Go upstairs.
No one's here.
Because they all went above.
Knock knock, motherfucker. I can't wait to surprise this motherfuckers up here.
You can get the one on the couch, like, right now.
Okay, one more bullet for the pistol.
3 people, 4 bullets.
And then the revolver. Yeah, I can do it. He's smoking outside. Aw, fuck. It's too fast. No, I was so close! So we just went through the first level again. Like, how many times? Like, 20 times?
At least 20. That was frustrating.
And it turns out all we had to do was sit and talk.
A new drug called Ash. These candles say that it makes you feel like you're alive again.
Intel.
Mission unlocked.
There's a bouncer on the far side of the house. I can kill him to get his weapon.
Ooh.
Bouncer.
Large zombies and shotguns.
Oh,
Take 3 shots to the head. A few to the head? Okay.
Mission. Oh, that guy. That guy looks like he's not messing around though.
Yeah, he doesn't look like one to be trifled.
Wait, the zombies are selling some strange drug. Find out what it is.
It's called Ash. Alright, here we go. Ready for more death?
No. There's a guy in a hoodie! Dude, these zombies are so gangster.
I think that's the bouncer.
I can't even see myself. What? Oh. Dude, no, but that dude has a hoodie on. These guys are gangster AF.
So as soon as you walk in, there's a thing. Hammer. Holy shit, that's violent.
But I don't want a hammer.
So, enter vent. Let the games begin.
Which vent does this go to, though? This room, there's no one here, right? Okay,
No.
cool.
It's just that guy.
I'm gonna hammer this dude. What time is it?
It's hammer time. Uh-oh.
Did I just die?
Yeah, just with
I just got an achievement, Pugliest.
because you bashed his fucking face in with a hammer. Alright, so what you have to do,
Can I throw this hammer?
I think you can.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, fine. Well, that's one way to look at it. Actually. Yeah. Okay.
That was the coolest thing I've done in this whole game.
Throw a hammer into someone's head?
And then headshot the other two guys.
Collateral. Wait, there's another vent.
Wait,
Go in.
hold up. I lost my hammer. Can I get my hammer back?
Fuck. Oh god.
Fuck, and I lost my redemption.
Great.
I gained redemption and then I lost it again. Then I lost my dignity.
Why does it take forever to kill them, but it takes 1 shot to kill you?
I have no idea. It's fucking unfair. That's what it is.
Okay.
Where's my hammer?
I don't think you get it back.
Fucking
He's
great.
wait, he's coming downstairs.
What? No one's here.
He knows.
No one's here though. I don't know what you're talking about, man.
What are you talking about? You are out of bullets.
I know. I'm so dead.
Wait. Go upstairs. You can just punch the fuck out of me.
That dude?
Yeah, that dude chilling at the
There's a gun right there, so I'm gonna try to get it.
Yeah.
Out of you!
Okay.
I want that gun, but there's a dude right there. He's smoky.
Dude, open the door.
Yeah, but then when I get the gun, he'll fucking see me.
Yeah, no problem. Once you get it, you can shoot the fuck out of him.
Or can I?
Open the door. No, I can't hear you.
Fucking shit. Ah,
Fuck.
okay.
Alright.
We're not gonna use that many bullets right now. Close that shit. Okay, there we go. Can I?
Oh, alright. Ooh! Triple headshot. Now go into the vent. And then get him from behind. Wait, wrong vent.
Oh. It's okay. I don't want to deal with that dude. Not right now. Look at him. He's gonna go check.
Oh,
Hello?
dumbass.
I thought I heard something. I don't know.
I thought I heard something, but it's just a toilet.
That's a toilet.
There's
What
a
is that? What the fuck? Look.
That's the blow. Where's the blow, baby?
Okay, I need to get him some other way.
There's no other way. Wait, yeah,
I'm
there's.
gonna get that motherfucker and then I'm gonna...
But he's literally right there. Oh, you punched the fuck out of me. Okay. Alright.
I can punch that guy too. I don't even need to waste any bullets.
Hold on. Oh my god. Wait, there's a vent. Go into that one.
That one? This one?
Yes. And go straight
This
up.
one?
That one goes straight up. Take out the guy at the door. And
Oh
then
my...
headshot. Get the fuck out of there. No, you have a new gun.
I thought I was gonna die because of that jump.
Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna use up this first. And then I'm gonna take out that guy, I'm gonna take out that guy, and then...
Wait, hold on. You can go into the vent again, and then come out the other end.
Oh! Can I, like, knock and then, like...
You won't make it in time.
Oh, I won't. You're right. Okay. Surprise, motherfucker!
So when he turns around again...
This is a long walk, dude.
Go.
You're patrolling, like... Your patrolling is not really cool.
Okay, one more bullet for the revolver.
And then this guy doesn't even notice, so I'll just, like...
Switch to your 9mm. And then just fucking peg him. I believe. Headshots all the way.
Oh.
Take his shotgun. So you have 2 sawed-off bullets.
Can I use the vent?
For one.
These guys. They heard something! Dude, where are they gonna go? I know. Oh, they're gonna split up. Yes, yes, thank you. Oh wait, are they? Oh, they did split up.
Shit.
What? Nothing's here.
You have no more sawed-off.
Oh fuck.
You have 1 revolver bullet. Now. Perfect.
Got him.
Now, you leave. Well, you have to go see what that cocaine is.
What the fuck is that? Inspect the drugs. I can't read that.
Stage cleared, return to car.
Oh, is my car over here?
Yeah, so where you enter.
Nothing to see here.
I didn't just commit murder.
It's just murder. I don't know what you're talking about, new high. Ah!
Ooh, accuracy. You gain 10 souls.